beautiful day. Good morning, everybody. We're doing another job in Cold Snack, New Jersey, on Miles County. So the church needed new plumbing. We're here taking care of it with our guys. Guys already arrived here. Let's see what we gotta do. We're here to take care of this. I love busy Monday mornings. What's up, guys? Good morning.
Hey, good morning. What's happening?
Nice job. All toilets out. We do it all. Church, synagogue, office, warehouse, houses. Call us. Call Snack, New Jersey.